How to verify Google My Business account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So if you are verifying it for the first time, then you need to add or claim your business profile on Google. And after claiming or adding your business profile, you will have to verify it using your phone, text, email or video. So you can verify using more than one method, and the available methods will depend on your business category, public info, region, support hours and volumes. So each and every business profile might receive a different verification method. Just choose it accordingly, and after picking up your verification, just simply verify it using that and provide the information. It might take up to 7 days in order to review your verification, and after that it should be verified. You will get the notification about it, and in case if you are not verified even after that, then get verified button will reappear on your profile. Just simply click on it and verify it, and after you verify your profile, it might take up to a week or maybe more than a week in order to all the info to show up on your profile. So just have patience while doing this verification, as it take weeks in order to do it completely. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.